Hello, my beautiful magical beings. How are you all? And I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing my channel. For coming back, this is your general love reading for December 2020. You can check it out your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you. I hope I help you out in some manner. But if it doesn't resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, because it is the general love reading. So it is not going to resonate with each of you. So you can take whatever is resonating according to your situation and condition and leave the rest, Aquarius. So please like, share, and subscribe to the channel so that you can get every single important message which are important for you. Okay, my beautiful magical beings. Let's see what are the messages. Let's start your reading. I don't read reversals, Aquarius, and I will be very happy if I help you out in some manner. So you can share and comment anything. If you want to ask me anything, you can let me know in the comment section. And please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Okay, so let's start your reading. What are the messages? Help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the important messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world? Help me out to deliver the message. Ten of Wands. Okay. What are the messages? Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages? Too many cards, but let's see. Ten of Wands, Ten of Cups, Six of Wands. Then there is King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle. Both are here. Okay. Then there is Ten of Pentacles and the Star. Aquarius, abundance of everything. Abundance of money, abundance of love, abundance of happiness, abundance of everything is Ten of Pentacles. And the Star card, this is you. New hopes and new desires. Okay, Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages. Help me out to deliver any other messages. Wheel of Fortune. It's moving in your favor, Aquarius. The Wheel of Fortune is there. Then there is Seven of Cups. And you have Ace of Swords. Okay, like this. You're getting some kind of clarity. Any other message? King of Wands. Okay. Any other message? The Fool. Page of Cups. Chariot, Judgment, Lovers. Aquarius. Chariot. Okay. Lovers and the Judgment. Beautiful cards for you today. Any other message? Any other message? Any other message for my lovely Aquarius? Queen of Swords, this is you. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Justice for you, Aquarius. You carrying lots of burden on your shoulders, Aquarius, but you completing some kind of cycle because there is no 11. Okay, and there is World card too, the 10 of Wands and the World card. You carrying lots of burden on your shoulder, but now you're completing some kind of cycle. Okay, you are completing karmic cycle, ending of a cycle, so that new karmic cycle can begin. Okay, Aquarius. You're getting success in achieving your 10 of cups, Aquarius. Happily ever after. Let me adjust my camera a little bit more. Okay, so you're getting 6 of wands, success, recognition, victory in achieving your 10 of cups. Happily ever after. Happily married. Maybe you are getting married to this person. You are dealing with your divine counterpart, because this is your divine counterpart, Queen of Pentacle and King of Pentacle. You both are someone who is financially stable, okay, grounded. You both know how to manage your finances, and you both are creating something beautiful. You both are creating 10 of Pentacles. 10 of Pentacles and 10 of Cups both are there. Okay, happily ever after, happy family. And 10 of Pentacle is abundance of everything. So you both want to create abundance of everything, abundance of love, abundance of money. You both, this is you, the star. You're rising as a star. You are getting your new hopes, new desires. And why I am telling you like that, because the Wheel of Fortune is there and there is Ace of Swords. Okay, so the Wheel of Fortune is moving in your favor, Aquarius, and you're getting Ace of Swords. You're getting your clarity. Okay, Ace of Swords is there. Maybe there is someone, or this is you. I need to check out in the extended. I'm going to take these cards in the extended one, but maybe this is you. Okay, maybe you are having lots of option, or this is the other half of you. Okay, maybe this is your divine counterpart, or this is you. I need to check out, but maybe they were exploring other options, maybe they were having other options, or you were having other options. 1 minute. No, this is your divine counterpart, because there is a Queen of Swords here. So this is your divine counterpart. They were having lots of options open. Okay, but they are taking a leap of faith in with you, Aquarius. They are taking the leap of faith with you, the Fool card and the Page of Cups. They are taking the leap of faith. They were keeping their options open before. They were exploring other options other than you. They were having options other than you, but they want to start, they want to take a leap of faith. They want to start new life, new beginning with you, Aquarius, and they coming with an apology. Sorry, a Page of Cups. They will message you small message, a sorry Aquarius, or hi Aquarius, how are you. So they want to start a new beginning with you. They want to take a leap of faith with you. They want to move forward with you. Why I am saying this? Because there is a Chariot too. So the Chariot, they want to move forward with you, and the Lovers is there. So this is your love, Aquarius. Lovers is all about life, partner, soulmate. This is your divine counterpart. Okay, this is not your karmic one. This is your divine counterpart, and the judgment has been made in your case. Either the judgment is taking place by the divine is making a judgment for you, Aquarius, or you are making a judgment for you. Okay, this is you are rising as Queen of Swords. You know the truth that this person is exploring some kind of other options. Can you see? They are someone who is very very passionate towards you, but you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You know the truth, Aquarius, you know the truth, and you are asking questions like this Queen of Swords. Okay, you're the truth seeker, truth giver. Okay, 1010 was the recording reading time. Again, 1010 is a completion of a cycle. 1010 is a completion of a karmic cycle. And they are very passionate, very creative, very attractive, Aquarius. Okay, your divine counterpart is very passionate towards you, but you are emotionally unavailable. Okay, Queen of Swords is all about beauty with brains. Okay, they know the truth, and if they get to know that someone is trying to manipulate with their heart, with they're telling them lies, cheating, manipulation, they will cut them immediately with their swords. Okay, so you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords, and you're completing some kind of karmic cycle. The World card is here, and the Ten of Wands is here. So you are completing some kind of karmic cycle with your divine counterpart. Okay, and the person is from your past. The Six of Cups is there. Okay, the person is from your past, you both know each other, and Six of Cups is also a card of soulmate. So you both know each other very well, Aquarius. This is not a new energy in your life. You both know each other, but you are completing some kind of karmic cycle with your divine counterpart. Again, Justice has come. Bottom of the deck, I was having Justice. Okay, so you are getting some kind of karmic justice, Aquarius. Maybe they were not able to, they were not ready for new beginnings, but now they are ready to take a leap of faith, and they're coming for sorry, Aquarius. They know that they have done something wrong, they were not right, they were exploring other options, they were keeping their options open. Okay, they know that, and they're coming towards you. They have decided now to start a new life, a new chapter with you. They're taking a leap of faith. They want to move forward with you, and that's the judgment for you, Aquarius. But you know the truth. You know the truth. Okay, Aquarius, you know this truth that they are exploring other options other than you. But let's see. I'm going to clarify these cards in the extended readings so that I can get a deeper level, a deeper clarity about these cards. And let's add some oracle for you and close it out, this reading. Okay, what are the messages for my Aquarius? Help me out. Okay, help me out. What are the messages? Please help me out to deliver the messages. Again, the same card has come. Okay, the World card is again there, and the Chariot has come, and the Devil has come. So you're completing some kind of this is you, Aquarius, High Priestess and the Star. Okay, you are ending some kind of karmic cycle with your divine counterpart. You do not have to worry at all. The Devil is there. Can you see the High Priestess is there who kills this devil? Okay, you are using your intuitions and you're killing that thing. And why I am saying that? You're rising as a star. Again, this is the star is there. You're rising as a star. New hopes, new desires are coming new for you. The Chariot is there for 2 times for you, Aquarius. The Chariot and the Chariot. So you're moving forward with your life, with this person, with this divine counterpart. You're taking the leap of faith. They are also taking the leap of faith. But what was the devil? Okay, that was the some secrets hidden from you. Okay, the Moon card has come. And what was the secrets hidden from you? That they were exploring other options. Okay, they were keeping their options open. 7 of Cups. The Moon card has come. So you do not have to worry at all, Aquarius, because this situation is getting end. Okay, they are keeping their options open. That's okay. That was the secret which was hidden from you. Okay, the Moon card has come for you. The secrets were hidden from you, but you know the truth. The wheel, Queen of Swords is there. You know that they were keeping their options open. See, again the Lovers has come for you. The strength. You need to keep your strength with you, Aquarius. Don't Don't overreact on them, because now they are clear, they're getting clarity. Okay, they are getting clarity too, that they want to take a leap of faith on you, they want to move forward with you. Okay, they're getting their clarity, and this is your love. Okay, your divine counterpart. Lovers and the lovers, beautiful cards, Aquarius. This is your divine counterpart, this is not the karmic one, so do not leave them. Okay, have trust. Maybe they were doing something which was not good at all, but it's okay. Now they have realized, that now they are having that clarity. Ace of Swords, they're getting their clarity, that what is good for them, who is their divine counterpart. Okay, it's okay, they are now getting their clarity. Before they were keeping lots of options, but now they're getting their clarity, that they want to move forward with you, they want to take a leap of faith, they want to move forward with you, because the Chariot has come 2 times for you, Aquarius. Okay, let me see any other message. See, again, justice has been served in your case. The Wheel of Fortune is there. Okay, the Tower card is there. So divine has interrupt in your situation. Okay, they are helping you out. The divine is helping out. This is a divine connection. Okay, divine is taking care of you both, Aquarius. Justice and the Justice. Okay, the divine is interrupting in your situation. The Wheel of Fortune and the Wheel of Fortune 2 times. I'm having that. So you are blessed, Aquarius. See, Fool card is there. Okay, Aquarius, you do not have to worry at all. Something is shaking up your life. And why? Tower is not a bad thing. Okay, the divine is shaking up your life so that the things can get better for you. Okay, justice is being served in your case. Okay, the karmic justice is being served in your case. Something was hidden from you, Aquarius, and what was hidden from you, that they were exploring other options. 1717 was the recording reading time. Secrets were hidden from you, that they were keeping their options open. That was the secret which was hidden, and there was something which was toxic for you, that was devil for you. But do not worry, you are using your intuitions and you know that truth. Okay, you are highly guided by your intuitions, and you are taking the energy of Queen of Swords. You know that truth, that they are telling you some, they are keeping some secrets hidden from you. You know that. Okay, but do not worry, Aquarius, they want to move forward with you. Okay, the Chariot is there. Okay, the Chariot is there, they want to move forward with you, and they are your love. Okay, they are your divine counterpart. The King of Pentacle and Queen of Pentacle both are there. Okay, this is your divine counterpart. The Lovers is here. Okay, Aquarius, and this is the Star. Star has also come 2 times for you. You're getting new hopes, new desires in your life. Whatever is happening because there were some kind of karmic cycle which you need to complete. Okay, and what was the cycle? That you were carrying lots of burden on your shoulders, but now you are releasing them. You are releasing them. Okay, this person is from your past. 6 of Cups. This is not the new energy, Aquarius. This is the someone who you know very well. Okay, you both know very well. 6 of Cups is someone who is your soulmate. Okay, this is also a soulmate card. So that was your reading for December 2020. Let's add one card from Activation Oracle. Okay, and in the extended reading, Aquarius, I'm going to take these cards in the extended one, and I'm going to tell you that what are the card meaning. Okay, so that I can get more clarification. Okay, let's see, help me out. Bottom of the deck, I'm having realization. Right, they are getting realization. Basically, the frequency of realization supports the internal process of becoming aware of our heart-centered truth, as well as external process of becoming our highest expression in this world. Okay, so they are getting their realization, Aquarius, that they have to, they're getting their clarity, they're getting realization that you are their divine counterpart. Okay, three message I got for you, and first is alchemy. The frequency of alchemy activates our magical ability and remembrance of the magic that we hold inside. Each one of us has the potential to access the ancient knowledge that allowed the true alchemist to perform the miracles of transformation. Okay, Aquarius. Second message for you is coherence. The frequency of coherence supports our ability to harmonize the frequency of heart with the frequency of mind for an optimal ability to create the reality that we desire. Beautiful message for you. And there is authority. The frequency of authority reminds us that true authority is powerful, directed, and realized, yet receptive, wise, and loving. Yes, beautiful and important message for you, Aquarius. These are three messages for you. Okay, so please be careful. Maybe they were exploring other options other than you, they were keeping their options open, but now they're getting realization, okay, Aquarius, that you are their divine counterpart and they want to move forward with you. They want to take a leap of faith, and they're coming towards you with some small message. Maybe you receive some kind of small message, some small sorry or apology, that I'm sorry, Aquarius, that I've done that, but I want to move forward with you. I know that you are my divine counterpart. I love you, and something like that. Okay. So there is some small message, but you know the truth. That's very important that you know that truth. Okay. So this was your main general love reading for December 2020. I hope I help you out in some manner. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything, my beautiful magical beings. Okay, Aquarius, till the time, take care of yourself. Sending you lots of love, light, and happiness to all my beautiful magical beings, Aquarius, all over the world. Take care, Aquarius. See you soon.